It is Christmas 1963. Janie tells me she is afraid and worried. She says I am like a god now. I tell her I don't think there is a god, and if there is, I'm nothing like him. I tell her I still want her, and that I always will. As I lie to her, it is September 4th, 1970. I am in a room full of people wearing disguises. A very young girl looks at me and smiles. She's beautiful. After each long kiss, she plants a smaller, gentler one upon my lips, like a signature. Janie accuses me of chasing jailbait. She bursts into angry tears, asking if it's because she's getting older. It's true. She's aging more noticeably every day. While I am standing still, I prefer the stillness here. I am tired of Earth, these people. I'm tired of being caught in the tangle of their lives. They claim their labors are to build a heaven, yet their heaven is populated with horrors. Perhaps the world is not made. Perhaps nothing is made. A clock without a craftsman. It's too late. Always has been. Always will be. Too late.